Hey there, VCE HHD students. My name's Andy. I'm a VCE Health and Human Development teacher. In this short video, I'm here to help you with some useful acronyms and mnemonics for Unit 4 VCE HHD. I also did a short video on useful acronyms and mnemonics for Unit 3 VCE HHD. So if you haven't checked that out yet, please take a look. So the list here is just some that I find useful. No means exhaustive, and you might use some different ones in your class. And if you want to let me know what some of those mnemonics and acronyms are, feel free to send us an email, and I'll let you know what that email is at the end of the presentation here. So for Unit 4 Area Study 1, the short acronym C can help you for both the characteristics of high, middle, and low income countries, as well as the dimensions of sustainability. So you may have noticed that they're both the same in terms of social, economic, and environmental characteristics, as well as social, economic, and environmental dimensions of sustainability. So C can obviously help you remember those. It's the first letter of each of those different terms. Also, when it comes to the Human Development Index, and you need to remember the 3 dimensions and 4 indicators, the acronym aka GLEM can help you to remember those 3 dimensions. So aka is the first letter of each of those dimensions: a long and healthy life, knowledge, and a decent standard of living. And then GLEM is the first letter of each of the 4 indicators. So gross national income per capita, life expectancy at birth, expected years of schooling, and mean years of schooling. So hopefully they will help you remember those important aspects of Unit 4 Area Study 1. And then when it comes to Unit 4 Area Study 2, for the 3 objectives of the Sustainable Development Goals, the short acronym EFA for End Extreme Poverty, Fight Inequality and Injustice, and Address Climate Change might be useful. And then obviously there is a number of the Sustainable Development Goals that you need to remember. So different variations of the mnemonic New Zealand's Good Quality Gas Cooks Cakes can help you to remember those different SDGs. So you can see there that each of those first letters of that mnemonic relate to the name of each of those SDGs that you need to remember for that key knowledge point. And then finally down the bottom, the third point there is an acronym for the first letter of the Australian aid priorities. Now please note that in 2023 there's also an updated set of Australian aid priorities, and you can either know the old set or the updated set for the 2023 exam. So that acronym there is for the older set, and I've included it there because those are the Australian aid priorities that you'll find in most of the textbook resources and resources going around. And so that can be useful if your school is asking you to remember the old set, but remember that you can remember either the old or the new for the 2023 exam. So if you're after more useful tips and advice such as this video here, please make sure you've subscribed. There's a subscribe button down in the bottom corner of the video here for the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel. You can also sign up for a exam preparation and revision lecture I'm doing at the end of the year for ACE at book.acevc.com. There's an Instagram page where you can follow us, as well as a Facebook page. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to email through any of the acronyms and mnemonics that you're using in your classes, or any other ideas you might have of videos you want me to focus on between now and the exam at the end of the year, because I'll be putting out a video every day between now and then, you can send us an email. Thanks so much.